You ever felt like you're giving too much to someone who doesn't value you? Whether in a relationship, at work, or among friends, it can be draining and frustrating. But here's the good news. You have the power to change that. Today, I'll share 10 impactful actions that can make anyone who doesn't value you stop and recognize your worth. These simple yet powerful steps will strengthen your mental, spiritual, and emotional health. Like this video, subscribe to Motivation You Need, and share it with someone who needs this message. The first action is prioritizing yourself. When you put your own needs and happiness first, those around you notice that you value yourself. This isn't about being selfish, but about acknowledging that you deserve the same care and attention you give to others. Start by carving out time to do something you love every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. By prioritizing your joy, you send a strong message of self-worth, creating an energy that attracts respect and reciprocity, reminding others that you are in charge of your happiness. The second action is setting clear boundaries. Often, people fail to value us because we haven't set boundaries. Saying no when something goes against your beliefs or when you're overwhelmed shows strength. Learning to enforce boundaries respectfully is essential for protecting your mental and emotional health. Think of boundaries as a way to preserve your energy and avoid unnecessary stress. If this resonates with you, comment below on how you manage your boundaries, and subscribe to Motivation You Need for more wellness insights. The third action is to stop chasing those who ignore you. Persisting with someone who shows no interest only drains your energy and self-esteem. Instead, focus on those who truly value your presence. This doesn't mean cutting people off abruptly, but redirecting your efforts where they're appreciated. By shifting your focus to yourself and those who value you, those who once ignored you may start noticing your absence and reconsider their behavior. Remember, this isn't about revenge, but self-respect. The fourth action is investing in self-awareness and personal growth. Dedicate time to yourself, whether it's learning something new, exercising, or cultivating a hobby. When you invest in your growth, you become more confident and magnetic. This energy of self-improvement is undeniable and often prompts those who underestimated you to rethink their actions. You'll realize you don't need external validation to feel complete. And remember, on Motivation You Need, you'll find more tips to boost your self-esteem. The fifth action is maintaining composure, even in tough times. Demonstrating emotional balance, especially during conflicts, is one of the most powerful ways to stand out. By not reacting impulsively, you show you're in control of your life. This confuses those trying to destabilize you and reinforces your image as a mature, secure person. Emotionally balanced individuals command respect because they handle challenges with poise. The sixth action is to stop depending on anyone's approval. Acting independently and making decisions without seeking external validation showcases your independence and strength. This is particularly important in environments where your opinion isn't valued. Start with small decisions and watch how this changes the dynamics around you. When you trust yourself, others will too. The seventh action is taking care of your appearance and physical well-being. This isn't about pleasing others, but about feeling good about yourself. Taking care of yourself reflects in how you present yourself to the world. A confident smile or upright posture can make a big difference. Simple self-care habits like healthy eating, regular exercise, and adequate rest are acts of self-love. If you agree that self-esteem starts with self-care, leave a like on this video. The eighth action is showing gratitude to those who stand by you. This might seem counterintuitive, but by appreciating those who value you, you strengthen these connections and diminish the impact of negative relationships. Valuing your supporters is a reminder that you deserve reciprocity and respect. Small acts of gratitude, like a message or a simple thank you, create a positive circle around you. The ninth action is practicing emotional detachment. When you don't rely emotionally on others, you become stronger and more resilient. This doesn't mean being cold or distant, but having the ability to maintain your inner peace regardless of others' actions. Emotional detachment is key to keeping your mental and spiritual health in balance. When you're centered, external actions have less power over you. The 10th and final action is moving forward without fear. Sometimes the best way to show your value is to completely distance yourself from those who don't value you. This may seem hard at first, but is one of the most liberating ways to find inner peace. By doing this, you create space for new connections and opportunities that truly deserve your attention. You'll realize that those who matter will want to be a part of your life. Each of these actions strengthens your mental, physical, and spiritual health. Implementing them into your routine changes not only how others see you, but also how you view yourself. Start with one or two of these practices and notice how your energy and confidence grow. Share this video with someone who needs this message and subscribe to Motivation You Need. Together, we'll build a life of greater respect and value. See you in the next video.